Hey, what's going on there, guys? It is the 10th of December, 2025. It's about 8:10 p.m. Central Standard Time here in Austin, Texas. And I missed a court date yesterday due to some miscommunication between myself and a pretrial officer who is kind of in charge of the bond conditions, which was a personal reconnaissance bond, just a reconnaissance bond. For a ridiculous crime. It's really perfect that they charged me with this because the cop, it's a situation that was contrived, obviously, and it was to deal with a victim that I had been working with that had been targeted by this group that's still out there, who we've been monitoring since this time. And I can only imagine how bad it's going to be for these guys, because just kind of filling in the people that I'm working with here just a little bit about what happened up in Denton, Louisville. It really is the epicenter of the highest concentration of former public servants and employees to be arrested for crimes against children. And a lot of this happened while I was incarcerated for 2 years up there. 2 years. And tell you what, I paid a heavy price for that. Family has too. And, I do my best to be in forgiveness and gratitude, and I'm grateful for what I have. The judge took this case off the docket, and he's going to see me today. I'm not sure what he knows, if anything. Maybe due to some extenuating circumstances that are, something that I don't know. But the long and short of it is, we have infiltrated here so deeply that this place will never be the same. I mean, I've been here for 18 months. Lord knows I'm not alone, so I can only imagine, like I say, what's going to happen here. And so I want to keep this real brief. The officer had been working with rogue elements connected to cartels and international criminal syndicates. It was a retaliatory action against me, and it's time for us to pick up that, to take it up a couple of notches with these guys and let them say, hey, we're sorry, or we're going to have to get a statement out of them. I imagine a fair amount more than that. So we'll see. I don't want to get into it too much. But, it's just kind of a contingency for me as well. If they want to try to put their hands on me, put me in jail, whatever. I did articulate myself to my attorney. One of my attorneys died up in Denton. I went through 7 of them. We were really testing the water to see who was involved with what. And it was really bad. The mayor died. That was, the mayor at the time. That I'm saying, hey, your public officials are compromised. You did this, this, and this. And all it revolves around children, and you guys are just sick and it's fucking crazy. I'm on camera. People thought I was nuts. Lo and behold, I'm locked up. And just boom, 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 boom. And so that kind of stuff can be avoided here, but how bad did these guys want to fight? And truthfully, the people up in the Dallas area, they didn't realize what it was until, I'm not sure when. I think we're all still learning about it, frankly. But the same group tried to set me up again with some bullshit up there. That's how they do, out of their lodge. They were stalking me. It was COVID. And if you guys think that that's a joke, you can catch me talking to a lieutenant colonel about this kind of thing in the Army. He's retired, but his name's Don Goodwin. He's a great guy. I actually met him right there in Plano, where this stuff really originated initially. And goodness gracious. The assistant chief died. One of their deputies died. All these cops went to fucking prison. The lead detective of Louisville went to prison. They're the ones that put the warrant out for me. It's a hell of a story. But how bad is it going to get here? That's kind of what's in question for today. I'm going to keep this video under 5 minutes, but I just wanted to go on record and say this, and hope you guys are doing fantastic. I'm not breathing too hard. I'm just trying to move around. Hope that mic's not too sensitive, but there's so much more to say. There's so much more information related to this case and the different phases of it. And I'm on record before all that stuff happened up there. This is a counter-sabotage. This is how we're doing it. I'm sticking to my story, and boom, boom, boom. And, God solved me through it. So it's kind of, because this case here, I could just say fuck him and walk right out the door. It's misdemeanor, it's bullshit, it's a trash case. I said let's take it to trial. So we're going to get it dismissed. I'll talk to you guys later.